welcome to the final APCS in 2 minutes video. Today I'll be covering recursion, which only covers a small part of the APCS exam. So recursion is when a function calls itself within itself and is useful when you want to solve a problem by breaking it down into smaller but similar subproblems. The most famous example of a recursive function is the factorial function. Now inside you can see that there's a base case, and this is what stops an infinite recursion loop from happening, and you don't want that. It's like an infinite while loop. And then you also have your recursive case, which is when you would call when you would call the function again inside of it. So often in the APCS exam you're probably going to have to trace recursion, and to do that what you want to do is get whatever input, for example the number 3, into this function, and then trace the different method calls that have smaller inputs. So for example, it will call, see this n-1, it will call factorial on the number 2, and then factorial on the number 1, then the factorial on the number 0. And once you finally reach the base case, then you want to trace your way back up, taking the result of the base case and using that and plugging it one function method call up, and then just travel your way back up. Let's like the staircase, we can say. And basically that's just how it's pretty simple. Like recursion problems can all be solved in the exact same way on the APCS exam, so I wouldn't worry about it. And another thing to keep in mind is that many problems that can be solved with recursion can also be solved iteratively. So meaning you can use loops. So don't always look at recursion as the only way to solve certain things, because recursion takes a lot of memory space. Thank you guys for watching.